In which religion do we find that God has become their food? No religion. Only among Catholics you find that we receive Jesus. So this is our privilege. So let us become aware of this privilege. In earlier days, in the early church, communion was always in hand. Apostles broke the bread and gave to them, everybody. Later on, around 10th, 11th century, the priest became very dominant. The church means priest and people around him. People became second-class citizens. Clerics and laity, this difference was created. So, communion was to be given only by priest, nobody else. And we have to receive in tongue. Thanks be to God, now things are changed. Now we have the option to receive the communion either on our tongue or our hands. But at times people argue with us, priest, Father, our hands are dirty. Then I tell them, who told you your mouth is clean? We know, priest, because you open your mouth and we see your tongue and we see your teeth, the shape, color and everything. And we know how clean it is. And you say, your hands are dirty. We are not worthy to receive Jesus, neither on our hand, not even our tongue. But He makes us available to us. Whether you receive or in hand or in tongue, we are receiving Jesus. So let us become aware of this. It is not that by receiving in your tongue, you are receiving Jesus, first class Jesus, and in your hand, second class Jesus. There are no classes for Jesus. There is only one Jesus. So as we celebrate this solemn feast of Corpus Christi, let us thank our Heavenly Father for sending us His Son Jesus and giving His body and blood as our spiritual food.